This right here was my mama's famous oxtail soup. The only difference between hers and mine is that she used okra and I do not like okra, so I didn't put none in mine. So I started off with some onions and 2 package of oxtails. You got my bay leaves, my garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, seasoning salt. I'm add my bay leaves along with my onions in there. Sprinkle it down with a little red pepper flakes. Add the rest of my seasoning. Be very generous with these seasonings. So you want everything to be well covered and plenty of seasoning. Because next you're gonna pour water just over the top of the oxtails. Then you're gonna cover it up and allow it to cook for 6 to 8 hours or until it's falling off the bone on high. So I'm gonna cover it up right now and allow it to cook. Typically when I do my oxtails, I do them overnight. I'll put them on overnight, allow them to cook. That way in the morning time, all I have to do, stir it around, get all my bones out. So that's the next part. So this is like 6 to 8 hours afterwards. And so you see how the meat is falling off the bone here. Well, the next thing I'm gonna do is separate the bones. We're not gonna have a bony oxtail soup. So I'm gonna get all of the bones and the bone caps off. And then I'm gonna separate, you know, that really fatty part at the top. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna skim that off. So just get a skimmer and then skim that off the top, like a spoon, and just skim it off the top. Then I'm at my vegetables. Can of tomato paste. Oh, I'm sorry, this is tomato sauce. So after adding this, please understand you have to add more seasoning to this. You gotta taste it. Make sure it's tasting the way you want it to taste. If not, then adjust the seasoning. And you see how nice it's looking? That's what you want it to look like. I cooked it for another hour or so. And then there you have it. Mama's oxtail soup.